body baby oh, ah, his body baby oh, yeah, yeah, it's a bad man thing, yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl DivaStar213 and I'm back again with another video. This video, I decided to share my favorite hair and skincare products that I'm currently using. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that post bell notification so you're always updated every time I upload a new video. So yeah, I've gotten a lot of new skincare products lately and I have been ranting and raving to my friends about the products that I recently started using and I just feel like are working so well for me. So I decided I want to create a video for you guys and share those products. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to get into hair care because I only have 2 products right now for hair care. And first, I want to talk about Aunt Jackie's. This is Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coils. This is the Ives Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. And I really like this because my hair is pretty thick. It's like a 4B, 4C kind of texture, really tight coils. And this gel helps define my curls really well. So if you're a girl like me and has 4B or 4C texture hair, this is a good product. It's heavy, you know, it defines your curls, it really gets in there, so this is really good for a wash and go. The only downside to this is is that it's not that moisturizing. So, you know, I would mix this with a moisturizer and then it would work perfectly well. But it's not very moisturizing. It's kind of drying. So I'll mix it with a moisturizer to use this product. Next is a product by Cantu. This is their new line. This is the Texture by Cantu line for coils and curls. This is the defining cream. I really like this because this is a cream, but it really helps define your curls, even for my 4B and 4C type texture hair girls. Because I know for me, I can use cream stylers in my hair, but it doesn't necessarily make my curls pop as much as it would if I were to use a gel styler in my hair. So I was actually mixing these two together because Cantu is really moisturizing for me, and this really, Aunt Jackie's really helped my curls pop. So I just really enjoyed these 2 products together, and I'm going to continue to keep buying these because I really, really like it. So yeah. Okay, moving on, we're going to get into skincare, some of the products that I've been using for my face, and yeah. So first thing is this Neutrogena Grapefruit Acne Prone Skin Activated Cream to Foam Cleanser. I shared this in my other video, how to get clear skin in 90 days. I'll link that up below, up top. And this is awesome. Like, I really love this. I use this almost every day in the shower. And if I have like a little blemish that's like starting to come, as soon as I use this face wash, it helps bring the clogged pore or whatever, the pimple to a head. And then I'm able to, you know, do the rest of my skincare routine from there. But I really enjoy this. This is wonderful. The smell is, it smells pretty good, and like I said, it does the job. I am going to continue to keep purchasing this. I found this at Marshall's actually, but I know you can get it online and at Target. So yeah, this is really a really good face cleansing moisturizer. I've recently started getting into face masks a lot more. I didn't usually do a lot of the face masks, but now I've been getting into it. And I like this Bliss What a Melon Rejuvenating De-Stressing Overnight Mask. And this is a mask that you wear overnight. And I didn't really realize that it smells good, and it's kind of like a shimmery kind of color. So how this face mask works is that you put it on, you let it dry, and then you can sleep in it overnight. And then when you get up in the morning, you rinse it off. It's a brightening mask. I haven't actually used it overnight. I usually just put it on, wear it for a couple of hours, and then rinse it off. I just don't know how well that's going to work, you know, when you sleep and then you have on a dry mask. I would imagine it would start like cracking and you wake up with like crumbs and stuff on your pillowcase. But again, I didn't try it, so I don't know, but I do like the results that I do get when I do try it. When I do put it on, it, you know, brightens my skin in the darker areas. Maybe I've been out in the sun too much, or I have a couple blemishes that I want to get rid of. This works really well. And I also got one of those silicone brushes to apply this. I got this from Shein.com. And I've always wanted to use one of these for a face mask, and it works really well to apply, and it's easy cleanup. So when I would suggest getting one of these brushes when applying a face mask. So yeah. After I apply a face mask and rinse my face off, I like to go in with a moisturizer. I usually go in with two, but I'm going to show you my go-to daily moisturizer. And I have this in the travel size because I just like buying the travel size, I guess. This is also by Bliss. This is the Quench and Drench Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture. This is wonderful. I love this because a little bit goes a long way. That's why I said I always buy the travel size, because you can you just put a little dab. I usually put like a dime size on each cheek, my forehead and chin, and then it just melts on your skin, and it just smooths in, and your skin feels moisturized all day long. Like, I've been using this for over a year now, and this is my go-to. I love it very much. I think this size is about $4, and then the normal size I think is between $15 and $17, I want to say. So yeah, really good. And I recently just started to get into a lip scrub, so I want to show you this first lip scrub that I bought. This is by St. Ives. This is the lip scrub in the flavor Juicy Watermelon, and it's 100% sugar. And this right here, like, lip scrubs are the GOAT. Like, seriously. I use this lip scrub a lot because it works well. Like, if you get those little, your skin starts peeling a little bit on your lips, use this and you get those little skins off, and then you don't even have to put on lip balm afterwards, because this is so moisturizing. As soon as you rinse off the excess sugar, it's so soft and so smooth, and it feels so moisturized. This is bomb, 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 bomb. Like, if you don't use lip scrubs, I suggest you to use a lip scrub, because this is it's just, I don't know why I did not start using a lip scrub any sooner. This is great. And I like St. Ives. It tastes good if it gets in your mouth. So yeah. Moving on to my last two products. These are skincare products, and it's only two of them. But these two things that I stumbled on recently, and I really, really love them. So, first is my Dr.Teal's lotion. This is a milk and honey and essential oils blend, and it smells so freaking good. Like, it smells so good. Anything that has doctor on it, you would think it doesn't have like the best smell. It smells kind of medicated and stuff, but no. This smells just like honey. It smells so good. Honey and like butter. It's just, I just can't get enough of this. Like, I will just shower randomly just to put this lotion on and smell good again. Like, this is just, I don't know, but it's really good. It's moisturizing. I stay moisturized all day long. My skin is smooth, and of course it smells so good. Like, I've gotten so many compliments like, oh, you smell good, you smell good. Yeah, it's this lotion. It smells so good. And I'm a sucker for anything coconut or cocoa butter or shea butter, anything like that. And it has cocoa butter and shea butter and vitamin E in this lotion. So yeah, this is bomb, thebomb.com. But before I put on lotion and I get in the shower, I bought a sugar scrub, and this is by Tree Hut. I know a lot of people have been using the Tree Hut sugar scrub, so I had to see what it was all about. And this is the Coco Colada Shea Sugar Scrub, and it smells really good. It's kind of like a soft cocoa, coconut shea shea butter flavor, and it removes a lot of the dry skin, the dead skin. It smells good. And then when you rinse it off, it rinses off easily. You don't have the little grids or sugar in the bottom of the tub. Like, I really hate that. I hate when I use a body scrub or a sugar scrub or a salt scrub or any kind of scrub, and it's like, as soon as I rinse it off, I have to then like clean my shower immediately. I mean, even though it's not like you don't clean your shower afterwards, but I'm just saying, like, the little sugar or whatever the scrub is still stuck in the bottom of the tub, and it really annoys me. But with this, I feel like it, you know, the more you work it in, it's like sugar. It just kind of like, it dissolves with heat or whatever. So it kind of dissolves into your skin, dissolves in the water, and it feels really moisturizing afterwards. And so I'm just like, wow, why didn't I start using a sugar scrub to exfoliate, you know, sooner. But I would recommend trying this. Again, this is by the brand Tree Hut, and they have a lot of different flavors I saw at Target. But I decided to get this one because I like cocoa butter and anything shea. So, and the Coco Colada sounded like it was going to be good, so I decided to try it. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit that post bell notification so you're always updated every time I upload a new video. And I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again for supporting my channel and just, you know, being there. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.